The Astoria Grand Living Atrium 58 is all about impact. A bold new floor plan with a striking Brooklyn Hebel facade and an incredible sense of arrival. You'll experience not one, but two double-height atriums, one over the entry and another soaring above the living space, filling the home with light and drama. The kitchen is designed for entertainers, showcasing the latest fixtures and finishes from leading suppliers like the Laminex Midnight Oak Cabinetry and Caesar Stone benchtops in Lunar Frost. It's complemented by an oversized butler's pantry, perfect for hosting in style. Every bedroom in the Astoria has its own ensuite, a mark of everyday luxury. And the master suite is a private retreat located at the rear of the home with its own balcony, expansive ensuite and walk-in robe. The Astoria Grand Living Atrium 58 is family living on a grand scale. Come and see it at Riverfield Estate, Clyde, Carlisle's largest and most innovative display centre yet.